Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a great day out there. I appreciate you taking the time to come and see me. Today we have the BoxyCharm Premium Box. This is the Premium Box. This is the $35 box. We will have 6 to 7 products in here and it's usually got a $175 value or more. If you only have one account, on months where we get a Luxe box, you don't get a base box. The base box is a $25 box with a $125 value or more, I believe. But again, if you only have one account and you choose to get the Luxe box, which I do, that is a $50 box and will have 7 to 8 products in it. And I think they used to say a $250 value or more. So it has a pretty good value. But today we're doing the premium and soon I hope that I will go out and set up a second account so that on the months where I get the Luxe, I can also get the base because you can't do that if you only have one account. Okay, anyway, premium. And we know it's the premium, not just because it says premium, and I can take a subtle hint sometimes. But when we start opening it, you can see that it's blue and the base box is red. This is blue. The Luxe box is usually black. However, for March, it's sitting over there and it's white and it has green trim and that's very exciting. Okay, oh, I got brushes and I see that my paperwork fell out. Also, one of you guys let me know the code for breaking the code on the back of these cards and why the variation numbers have changed. Let me put this box down and we'll talk about it. All right, time for glasses, and I will tell you that BoxyCharm Lucky is what this month is all about. I love the way that card looks. Of course, it could be because I'm Irish. And our code on the back is C21032478PM. So C, I think, is what they all start with. I'm not sure if they told me what the C stands for. I'm going to decide Charmer. And then 21 is the year, 03 is the month, and then PM at the end, premium. So in the middle we have 247A. So I guess technically 247A is my variation. And that's what that looks like. All right, so let's just reach right in and see what I've got. Right on top, I have these Beauty Diva London Diva eye brush set. And they are bright orange. Have seen a few people unbox these. I had set aside those brushes that had the clear liquid with the hearts in them last month for my granddaughter who is old enough to use makeup. And then all of the information, so many of you guys let me know, and thank you so much for letting me know, that on the BoxyCharm website, they told you that there could be lead in those. And the consensus seemed to be that the lead was associated with the liquid. And while I know that my granddaughter who's old enough to use makeup wouldn't break them, so she wouldn't likely be exposed to it. She has 3 much younger sisters. It could go amok. So I think I will set these brushes aside for her now because they are bright orange and I bet she will like those too. So we have the angled brush and a nice blender brush. And this is just a like packer. And then this one is just slightly bigger. Let's see if it tells us what that one is. Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. Perfect your eye look with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. MSRP $48 value. And no, nothing ever tells us what the names of those brushes are. So I would say that's just an angled blender because it's pretty big and fluffy. So already, if you're happy to try these, which I am, or I would be, but I'm gonna pass them along. If you're happy to try these, $48. Cost of the box was $35. You've already paid for your box. Okay, reaching in next, and I have seen a lot of people get this. It is the Kypris Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer. And it's an eye serum and primer and shimmer palette. And that is what that looks like. Let's take them out of here. So we have our serum and our shimmer palette. So the paperwork says Kypris Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer and Shimmer Palette. This pairing packs technology forward, skincare first, illumination, and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active, buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for BoxyCharm and is not for resale. And it says it has a $145 value. Let's get into it. I have admittedly seen several people open this, and the initial instinct most often is, Ooh, apparently when you get it, let's see if mine is that way. Yeah, it's crazy thick and almost kind of chunky. Like it doesn't even, I can't even get it. It's hard to get even up into the dropper. So what I saw a lot of people do, and I will learn from their experience, is give it a hearty shake. And it seems to have helped. So let's see if after our hearty shake, we are helped by that. And oh no, it made it worse. Oh, I don't know if you guys, no, I don't know if you guys, can you see that? That's not bubbles, those bumps. That's not bubbles, that's chunks. It's chunks. I don't think I'm putting something, I mean, it smells nice. I guess on the back of my hand it'll be okay, right? That is so awkwardly chunky. All right, I'm gonna put a drop. Actually, the drop that came out of the middle is not nearly as bad. A drop on the back of my hand. I don't know that, I'm gonna have to read more about this, see if maybe Boxy has addressed this at all. It's kind of like the parts that came out were kind of like, you know, cottage cheese. So when I rub it in to the back of my hand, it becomes instantly smooth and lovely. And that one little drop would definitely be enough to do the eyelids of you, several of your friends, several of their friends. I'm having a hard time getting it to all rub in. I'm gonna get my whole hand involved. Try like, okay, so now that it's rubbed in, it has definitely primed my hand. It has kind of blurred it. It smells kind of nice. It smells almost like a creamsicle. It has blurred it, and it is a little tacky. So it does have a definite primer feel. Let's get into this and check this one out. This is 5 colors. We have Starlight, Diamond Fire, Sun Glitter, Gold Aura, and Shadow Alchemy. And that is what they look like. And the other side does have a mirror. Let's go ahead and swatch these. These are the first 4. They look kind of very similar on my hand, but this was kind of like the silver, the white, the pink, and the gold. We'll do the brown in just a second. Let me put them onto the back of this nicely primed hand. There is a subtle difference between them. You can definitely tell that this one leans silver, white, peach, and then gold. I don't know. It is so incredibly light that I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but there is a difference between them. And it is a nice highlighter. Let's go ahead and try this darker color, which was the Shadow Alchemy. We'll just do it right here across the top. Oh, it's not dark at all, really. These would actually, I would be more likely to use these as eyeshadows. I know, I say that all the time when I open highlighter palettes, but that is the darker one. They have great shine. I think, yeah, I'm just gonna say it. I think $145 for this, which they look so similar, and this chunky stuff is crazy. I mean, that's really high. That's some really high pricing there. That said, we have had a Kypris product in the past. We had a face oil that I used to the bottom, gone. I never picked it up again in a sale because we get so many face oils that I just move on to trying the next thing. But while I had that in my routine, I liked it a lot. So I was kind of really hoping that I would get this. Now that I have it and it's chunky, I feel a little less thrilled, but I will get online, see what people are saying about it, unless you've read it, and then you can just let me know below and save me all that research. This is pretty. I mean, absolutely. If this is not something that you already have, these are really pretty colors. They're very similar once you get them on the back of your hand, but as the light hits them, as I twist my hand, they are absolutely different. You can tell the gold from the pink, from the white, from the silver, from that dark one. So it's nice. I'm very happy to have this. I'm gonna go ahead and say, I don't know about that pricing. Reaching in next, I have something different and I like it. It is the IGK Instant Spray Hair Mask. I think that I might have picked this up in a sale, FabFitFun or Boxy's, but I don't know that I have actually used it. Let's see what the paperwork says, and then we're gonna put some on my curls and see if it completely destroys my hair, which has to survive for the next couple of videos. IGK Prenup Instant Spray Hair Mask, $32 value. This high-powered in-shower treatment. Oh, so I guess we will not try it now. We are not getting in the shower. It performs like a traditional hair mask, but works in under a minute. A multitasking mix of moisturizers, including almond oil and Cupuaçu butter. That is in so many things. I really should learn how to say that. Deep condition, repair, and strengthen your hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic Shine. Okay, this is going down and into my shower. I will be reporting back on this. Next, I have a Dose of Colors in Reflection. That is what that looks like. If it is just a single eyeshadow, I will set this aside for a giveaway, because what I have discovered about myself is I do not reach for single shadows. I want to, but I have discovered about myself that I just won't reach for them. So let's see what we have in here. Oh yes, it's very pretty. I'm gonna show it to you really quickly without trying to touch anywhere near it. And I'm gonna set it aside. It says Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra-dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact. $20 value. So, like I said, I will never reach for this, so I'm not even going to swatch it and ruin it. I will set it aside. Next we have, and I think this was my choice, the Hangover Too Faced Proactive Nourishing Replenishing Face Primer, and it is silicone free. That's what that looks like. It is a huge primer. Wow. With coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers. Silicone free. That is a really big primer. I don't know if you guys can tell how chunky and big that is. I mean, that's a big primer. The paperwork says this revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin's radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate while locking down makeup for a fresher, longer, more flawless wear. It has a $35 value. Oh, it's a little pump. So let's try that. So when it comes out, it is just a nice, it wants to run down my hand. You guys can see it. So it must be kind of a thin lotion. It has a very subtle lotiony scent. It is very moisturizing for a primer. Let's see how it, oh no, it's drying down kind of tacky. Wow, this might be a good primer. I surprisingly kind of like the way that feels. It is, I can almost, that probably doesn't translate. I'm almost like pulling my skin. It's so tacky that I can almost like, see how it almost wants to pull up my finger? But, and yet when I just touch it, it doesn't feel bad. I'm intrigued. That is something else, and it did blur. Wow, okay, I'll try this. I have a Marc Jacobs one that I love and a Clarins one that I love, but we will give this a try. And last but not least, I have a Bite Beauty Outburst Long Wear Lip Stain, and oh, it's a good color for me. Could you tell right away? Orange Fizz. It is sealed at the top, so I will open it from the bottom. I'm kind of bummed that this is orange because I love the Bite lip products. They are fantastic. This is Bite Beauty Outburst in Long Wear Lip Stain, an intensely bold, clean lipstick that's hydrating, long-wearing, and lightweight with easy application and waterproof wear. It has a $27 value. I'm not going to twist it up or anything. I am going to very carefully put the lid back on that and set it aside. There is 0% chance that I can wear that color. The value of my box is $307. Wow. Okay, almost half of that lies in this Kypris, which again, like I said, I will use this. I absolutely agree that this could have like a $20 to $30 value. I don't know about the chunky yet. I'm not sure, I'm trying it. The brushes seem very nice, but I'm going to pass them along to my granddaughter. We have the Dose of Color, which is a single shadow that I won't use, so I'm going to go ahead and pass that along. We have a theme for March. We have this bright orange Bite lipstick, which is a great lipstick, just a horrible color for me that I will pass along. I am going to use, which is what I chose, the Too Faced Hangover RX Proactive Nourishing Replenishing Face Primer and this Prenup Instant Hairspray Hair Mask. These two alone, this is the cost of the box, and this is only $3 short of the cost of the box, so these two together are $70. So there is no doubt that I got my money's worth, because like I said, I will play with those highlighters, and my granddaughter will probably love the brushes. This wasn't my favorite premium month. I think that's as negative as I can get. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let me know below what you think. Were you happy with your premium? What do you think of my premium? I would love to know what you guys think. Am I just, maybe I'm being picky because there are things I'm not going to use like this on this, and we're going to have to look into this. But other than that, I mean, the brushes are great. Never mind. I'm being too negative for some reason. this is a good box. Let me know below what you think. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you are having a great day out there. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.